Hello YouTube, this is Stencil Peters, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly set up a Minecraft server. There's a couple ways to do this. So I will start by doing the way that is most easiest to me. So first we're going to have to go to Google Chrome, or Firefox, or Internet Explorer, whatever you use. And you go to Minecraft.net, and you would go down to download it here, where you download the game. And multiplayer server, if you are on Windows, you would download Minecraft server 1.8.1.exe. If you are on Macintosh, you would download a certain file here. This wiki article for tutorial on how to do that. And if you are using another program like Java, you would use .jar. So I'm using Windows, so I'll use this. And once that is finished, you would make a folder. For example, the folder could be named Minecraft server or server, or whatever you name your server is. So I'll just call it Minecraft server. And once this is finished, you would then take this and drag it into this folder. Now that this is done, you would take this and drag it into this folder. And then you would run it, basically. Let all those files load up. Now once that is finished, you would go to eula.txt, open that, and change the eula to true, because this is the license agreement playing Minecraft. You go to save, and you would close that, and then you would run this again. And once you run the second time through, it would actually load all the other files needed to play the game. For example, it would load logs, band list, whitelist, etc., ops, user catch, server properties, world, etc. Now this would be open, and now make sure you properly close this server box, because if you do not, it will crash. So you would select stop, and once you type that in, it should stop. Doesn't look like it's stopping. Well, I guess at this point you could probably just close it. So I'm going to do that. And while this is still here, you're probably wondering how we're supposed to connect to this server. Now, what you would do is just move this somewhere on your desktop, and then you would get a program called LogMeIn Hamachi. With this program, it's a VPN, which is a virtual private network, which you would use to connect privately to other computers without interruption or lag or etc. So your IP address would be this right here, next to this MAC address, something you don't even know. Now you would copy that and paste it into server properties, but first I got to show you how to get this program. So you would go back to Chrome, or the internet browser you have, and you would go to type in LogMeIn Hamachi. Make sure you type in Hamachi, because you don't want to download the program LogMeIn, because it's entirely different. So once you get this, LogMeIn Hamachi, you would then select the managed version, which gives the ability to create servers. You're not joining someone, you're actually making one. So you have to create an account for LogMeIn Hamachi. Once you do that, you would type your email, password, and retype your password. And then you would go to your email, verify your password and your email, and etc. Then you would come back and download it. So I'll just type in mine. Actually, I need to log in, not register. Okay. Just say keep me logged in. The heck? Oh. Okay. There we go. Just have a different password. To continue using your account, you must verify your ID. Okay, so you would basically go to your email, like I said. Okay, Gmail. By the way, that's my email address. Okay, so you would get this notification. Log me in, Hamachi, whatever this is. And it would say, for me, the login has failed, so I would have to click my ID here. It would load the other page. Wait, nope, that's not it. Oh, okay, I would have to resend the email. Can't find the email. Send me the instructions again. Okay, now once I've done that, I would reload email. Alright, so I would get a new email. Verify your logged in account. Okay, got it. Now you would click the link here to bring you to the page to verify. Okay, and once you have done that, this should show up. You would click download now. The desktop application. Oh, whoops, this isn't it. This is log me in, so you would have to go back, log in. Now, back to Google. Damn, this is too far back. Okay, I'll pause the video until I get back where I need to be. Okay, so it turns out after you log into the website, you would have to select remember my ID and password. Then you would go back to Google and you would click download log me in Hamachi, and then you'll receive the download right here. Download log me in Hamachi. So you click that, and this download right here would pop up. Once that's finished, I will come back. Okay, now that that is done, you would click this and open Hamachi installer. So once that is open, just close this because I don't need it open anymore. Okay, select language English. Next, next, reinstall if you need to, but you can install. So I would just reinstall since I have it already, and you would click install. This would show up. So this will be finished. This specified. Okay, yeah, I already logged in. So mine ended prematurely because I've already been signed in and I already have the program. But once you get this completed, it should say open log file or run Hamachi. So once you finish that, you would run Hamachi, and you would see this power button. So you click power on, and it would probe and find your IP. Okay, now once you got that, you would go to network, create a new network. It can be anything like 8Ds and 8. Yeah, just create a network name has been taken. Oh yeah, you gotta make a different network name. So I would just call mine this. Okay, create. And once you got that created, your friend or people who want to play with you on a virtual private network would have to go to network, join an existing network, type the same network ID and the same password. Yeah, this is your own network. I can't already be a member of it, but once you do that, you would join this server and you would use this IP address. So we're finally getting to this. You would copy the IPv4 address, not v6. Go to Minecraft server, your folder, server.properties, find server IP, and then just paste. And that would be your server IP. So you would save, close, and then run Minecraft server. If this does unexpectedly close, I do apologize because for some reason my Minecraft server thing keeps closing like it just did. But once I gotta figure out what that problem is. But once you figure that out, you should be able to open Minecraft and type this IP address in, and it should work perfectly fine. And if your friend is logged into the network, which is right here, they should be able to type that in as well, and then just connect to you. Anyway, just remember, you can only have 5 people per server, but that's not going to stop you. You can just make more servers and then have more people join those servers, and it's going to be the same IP address. Or you can try the other way and do port forwarding, which I would show in a different video, which takes a longer process. But since we're out of time, please comment, subscribe, and hit that like button. Thank you, bye.